Hello, I am going to help with a question I get a lot, and that's how do I use computer assistive technology in order to help students translate from one language to the other. This first tool that I'm going to show you is built into Google Docs. It includes Google Translate as a tool in the toolbar, and let's jump in to show you how that works. As you can see here, I have two very simple sentences written in Spanish on my Google Doc. And all I have to do is go to Tools, Translate Document, and it will open Google Translate. And the cool thing is it creates a whole new document. I have to tell it if I want to change the name. I usually keep it the same because it does pull the file name from the document. So it will say translated copy of translation test. Maybe I want to put English copy so that I know which language is which in my file name. And then you choose your language. Now, any language that is in Google Translate is available here. Obviously, I'm going to do English for this test and click on Translate. And there is my English copy of the translation test document. What I love about this feature is it keeps the old version. It doesn't change anything. So if you need to see where students are at and save that, that's 100% going to be the same before you translate it. And then the translated version is a completely different document with a different file name in your Google Docs. So you can see what the first draft looked like and then what the second draft looked like. Hopefully that's helpful, and stay tuned for other assistive tech tools that will help you and your students translate.